Welcome to GATHA Channel, where we bring you inspiring design ideas to transform your space effortlessly. Today, let's explore how decluttering and organizing can make a big impact on your apartment makeover. A clean and well-organized home not only looks more inviting, but also helps create a sense of calm and order. Start by sorting through your belongings and eliminating items you no longer need. Invest in stylish storage solutions like floating shelves, woven baskets, and multifunctional furniture that maximize space. Utilize underbed storage or hidden compartments and sofas to keep things tidy. A dedicated reading nook with neatly arranged bookshelves can add charm and personality to your home. Keeping surfaces clear and maintaining a minimalist aesthetic will make your apartment feel larger and more open. Organization is not just about tidiness, it's about creating a space that feels both functional and beautiful. One of the easiest and most affordable ways to refresh your apartment is with a fresh coat of paint. A new color can completely transform the mood and appearance of a room. Soft neutrals like beige, light gray, or off-white can make a space feel more open and airy, while deeper tones can add warmth and sophistication. If you want a bold statement, consider an accent wall in a vibrant hue or a subtle pastel. If painting isn't an option, removable wallpaper is a great alternative, offering endless design possibilities. The key is to choose colors that reflect your style and enhance the natural lighting in your space. A well-painted apartment instantly feels cleaner, more stylish, and more inviting. An accent wall is a fantastic way to add character to your apartment without overwhelming the space. Whether it's a bold paint color, textured wallpaper, or even a mural, an accent wall draws attention and becomes a focal point. Removable wallpaper is an excellent option for renters, as it allows for easy application and removal without damaging the walls. Choose from geometric patterns, floral prints, or even minimalist textures to match your style. An accent wall behind a sofa or bed can instantly elevate the overall look of a room. Pair it with neutral furnishings and subtle decor to create a balanced and cohesive design. The best part? It's an easy DIY project that requires minimal effort but delivers a high-end result. Updating your furniture doesn't have to mean buying new pieces. A furniture makeover is a cost-effective way to give your home a fresh look. Consider repainting an old dresser in a pastel shade or refinishing a wooden table to restore its natural beauty. Reupholstering chairs or sofas with modern fabrics can make a huge difference. Thrift stores and online marketplaces often have hidden gems that, with a little creativity, can become stylish additions to your home. Simple changes, like swapping out old drawer handles for sleek modern ones, can instantly refresh a piece. Furniture makeovers allow you to personalize your space while staying within budget, proving that great design doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. Textiles play a crucial role in making an apartment feel like home. Adding cozy throw pillows, plush area rugs, and elegant curtains can instantly elevate your space. Mixing different textures, such as linen, velvet, and knitted fabrics, creates depth and warmth. A well-placed rug can define a living area, making it feel more cohesive. Curtains not only enhance privacy, but also influence how natural light enters your space. Consider layering sheer curtains with blackout drapes for both function and style. Small changes like adding a soft throw blanket or upgrading your bedding can make your apartment feel more luxurious without a big investment. Bringing nature indoors is one of the simplest ways to refresh your apartment. Houseplants not only improve air quality, but also add a lively, organic touch to your space. Low-maintenance plants like pothos, snake plants, and succulents are perfect for beginners. Place a tall fiddle leaf fig in the corner of your living room for a dramatic effect, or arrange smaller plants on shelves for a touch of greenery. Natural materials like wooden furniture, woven baskets, and stone accents can further enhance the connection to nature. Incorporating greenery and natural textures makes any apartment feel more peaceful and inviting. Wall art is a great way to express your personality and style. Instead of expensive artwork, create a gallery wall using framed prints, photographs, or DIY paintings. Mixing different frame sizes and styles adds visual interest. Macrame wall hangings or fabric tapestries can also make a space feel cozier. If you enjoy DIY projects, try painting your own abstract art or repurposing old frames with new designs. Mirrors are another excellent wall addition, as they reflect light and make a room feel larger. Wall decor adds a personal touch, making your apartment truly feel like home. Upcycling is a fun and budget-friendly way to decorate while being environmentally conscious. Repurpose old wooden crates as bookshelves, use mason jars as candle holders, or transform an old ladder into a chic plant stand. An antique trunk can serve as a stylish coffee table with hidden storage. Giving new life to old items not only saves money, but also adds unique character to your apartment. Look for materials you already have and think creatively about how they can be used in different ways. The beauty of upcycled decor is that every piece has a story, making your home one of a kind. It's often the small details that make the biggest impact in an apartment makeover. Swapping out dated cabinet knobs for modern designs, adding a stylish doormat, or placing decorative trays on tables can instantly refresh your space. Scented candles, vases with fresh flowers, and carefully chosen decorative objects bring personality to a room. Even switching out basic light switch covers for more stylish options can elevate the overall aesthetic. By focusing on these finishing touches, you can transform your apartment into a space that feels polished, cohesive, and uniquely yours. With these simple and budget-friendly ideas, your apartment makeover can feel fresh and stylish without the need for a big investment. Stay tuned for more inspiration here on GATHA Channel, where we bring you the best home design ideas.